Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to present you all the fuses and relays on this Ford Focus with 1 liter EcoBoost engine. So on this car you're going to find three main fuse boxes. One is situated in the engine bay on the driver's side. You got to pull from this tab like that and the cover comes out. The second fuse box is going to be on the passenger side right under the dashboard. You've got these black clips, you got to pull them out and this cover will reveal the second fuse box. The third fuse box is going to be in the back on the driver's side. Alright, so let's start with the one from the engine bay, and I'm going to look from this angle. I'm basically looking from the passenger side towards the driver's side. I'm going to start with F32, which is for the PCM, for the control module. If this fuse goes bad, you're going to find a message in your dashboard, which is going to be on the screen right now, with the message that there is an engine failure and you have to visit the workshop. Most of the time this fuse is bad and it doesn't allow the computer to read the sensors which detects how much air goes into the engine, and that's going to trigger a lot of codes and your car will not run properly. F33 is also for powertrain control module and ignition coils. F34 is also for powertrain control module, water in fuel sensor. F35 is also for powertrain control module, ignition coils. If your car doesn't start, you gotta check the ignition coils fuse, or if your car doesn't read how much is the fuel pressure, again, you gotta check one of these fuses. F38 is for the transmission control module, F28 headlamp washer, F29 headlights washers, F27 is for the air condition clutch, F23 is for the battery monitoring system, also F22 is as well battery monitoring system, F21 for brake lamps, F20 for the horn, F18 is for the windshield wipers, F15 is for the transmission control module, F13 is for the starter relay, F11 is for the auto start and stop module, the one which stops your car when you wait for the red light. F9 is for the luggage compartment fuse box. So basically the whole fuse box in the luggage compartment has this fuse. Now let's jump to the F16, which is left hand heated windshield element. F14, which is right hand heated windshield element. F12, which is for the powertrain control module, basically the PCM, the computer of the car again. Finally, from this group, F10, which is for the blower motor. Let's go to F45, which is for the heated washer nozzle. F43 is for the headlamp leveling and adaptive front light unit. F41 is for the body control module. F40 is for the electronic power assist steering. F39 headlamp leveling. F38 transmission control module and powertrain control modules as well. And if you don't know exactly where the fuse location is, you've got here a map. With that being said, now let's jump to the relays. We've got the first one, which is for the intercooler fan. This one is for the horn. This one is for the heated windshield. And this one is for the cooling fan relay. This one is for the air conditioning clutch, the one which will activate the air condition compressor in order to get cold air in your cabin. This one is responsible for that. This one is responsible for the ignition. And this one is for the headlamp washer. This one is for the cooling fan relay, the blower motor as well, and finally the engine control module. Again, if you have that annoying message on your screen, you gotta check as well this relay. And basically now I've got the chance to show you how to test the relay. First, let's remove it. If you look closely on the relay, you've got basically a diagram which will show you that the pin 86 and pin 85 are basically for the electromagnet, which will basically connect the pin 30 and pin 87, those two in the middle. So if I go ahead and connect my 12-volt battery on the pin 86 and pin 85, there should be a click, and you can hear that, right? The relay works. Using a voltmeter, you can connect to pin number 30 and pin 87. Now if you apply 12 volts to the other two pins, you should be able to see continuity. So set your voltmeter to ohms reading and let's see if we can see any continuity. Here it is, guys, full continuity between these two pins. Once I release the 12 volts, there is no more continuity. Once I apply 12 volts, there is continuity. So this is a simple, easy way to test your relay. And we are done with the engine bay, so I'm going to close this. Alright, so inside the cabin on the passenger side, we've got F56 for the fuel pump, the top one from the left. F58 is for the doom lights. F59 is for passive anti-theft, driver door switch pack and glove light. F60 is for the glove box lamp and ambient lighting. F61 is for the cigarette lighter and rear auxiliary power points, auto wipers and humidity sensor. F62 is for the auto dimming interior mirror. F63 is for the adaptive cruise control. We've got the top one, F65, which is for the lift gate release, is for the driver door lock and sync module, also global positioning system module. F67 for the global position system module, information and entertainment display. F68, the 15 amps one, is the electric steering column lock, is for the instrument cluster. F70, the 20 amps one, is for the central locking system. F71 is air conditioning, is steering wheel module, is data link connector, is for the high beam, is for the front fog lamps, is for the reversing lamps. F77 with 20 amps fuse, windshield washer pump and ignition switch. F78 is for the push button ignition switch or keyless vehicle module, also audio unit and navigation DVD. Hazard flasher switch and door lock switch is for the moonroof, is for the interior motion sensor and radio frequency receiver. Now let's go on the fourth line where we find F82 20 amps fuse windshield washer pump. For the central locking system is driver door unlock and air conditioning. F85 7.5 amps is for the moonroof, heated seat, switches and passenger airbag. 86 10 amps fuse is for the occupant classification system. I'm not sure what's that. 87, which is heated steering wheel. With that being said, we are done with the fuse box inside the cabin. Finally, we are in the luggage compartment where we can start with F1 relay coils. F2 is for the doom lights. F4 front left door control unit is for the front right door control unit, is for the rear left door control unit, and F7 is for the rear right door control unit. F9 is for the driver's seat. F24 is for the heated rear window, going to be for the blind spot monitor, lane keeping system, active city stop and rear view camera. F30 is for the parking aid module. F33 is for the rear window wiper relay, driver heated seat, and F35 is for the passenger heated seat. And finally, there is one relay here, which is for the ignition switch. There's actually one more relay here, which is for the heated rear window. I cannot show it to you because it's covered, but they just basically stick a hole in there. They didn't care about the fuse box, but anyway. And I'm actually done with the presentation. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, there is going to be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about it. Also, if you are new to this channel and you want to see more car repair videos, which I'm going to make in the future, hit that subscribe button as well. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you soon.